Have you ever wondered what consciousness really is? In our quest to understand the human mind, we've traditionally turned to classical mechanics. This viewpoint sees consciousness as the product of physical processes within the brain, like neurons firing and chemical reactions occurring. It's a perspective rooted in the tangible, the observable, and the measurable. Yet there's an alternative hypothesis that is gaining momentum. This hypothesis involves quantum mechanics, the branch of physics that deals with the smallest particles in the universe. It suggests that consciousness might not be confined to the classical physical world, but instead, may be deeply intertwined with the quantum world. If true, this could dramatically reshape our understanding of mind, reality, and the universe. It could suggest that consciousness is not just a byproduct of our brain's activity, but a fundamental aspect of the universe itself. So, could quantum mechanics hold the key to understanding consciousness? Let's delve deeper. Imagine that everything in the universe, at its core, is nothing but energy. A sea of swirling, pulsating energy, both seen and unseen. Now take this concept a step further. Picture this energy as an interconnected network, a vast cosmic web that links everything from the smallest subatomic particle to the largest galaxy. This is not science fiction but the reality of our universe as described by modern physics. But what about us? What about our minds and bodies? Well, they're part of this energy field too. Each thought we think, each beat of our heart, each cell in our body, is a manifestation of energy. We're not just passive observers in this cosmic play, but active participants. Our brains, these amazingly complex organs, serve as both transmitters and receivers of energy. They're constantly interacting with the energy field around us, sending out signals and receiving information. This energy exchange forms the basis of our perception of reality. Now here's where things get really interesting. If our brains are interacting with the energy of the universe, could they also be influencing it? Could our thoughts and emotions, these intangible yet powerful forms of energy, have an impact on the world around us? The potential implications are staggering. They suggest a universe where mind and matter are intimately connected, where our inner lives have a direct influence on the external world. This suggests that our minds have a direct interaction with the universe, but how does that happen? Enter the quantum mind, a hypothesis that takes our understanding of consciousness to a whole new level. This intriguing proposition suggests that consciousness doesn't merely arise from the complex network of neurons in our brain. Instead, it posits that the roots of consciousness may exist deep within the realm of quantum mechanics. One of the primary theories supporting the quantum mind is orchestrated objective reduction, or ORCH-OR. Proposed by physicist Sir Roger Penrose and anesthesiologist Stuart Hameroff, this theory suggests that consciousness emerges from quantum vibrations in microtubules, protein structures within brain cells. These vibrations are thought to collapse due to a process known as objective reduction. And this collapse is proposed to constitute a moment of conscious awareness. The implications of this theory are profound. If our conscious minds are indeed rooted in quantum processes, we could potentially have direct access to the quantum world. This goes beyond the classical physical interactions we are familiar with. Imagine for a moment being able to tap into the quantum realm where particles can exist in multiple states at once or be entangled over vast distances. Could this be the key to understanding phenomena like intuition or telepathy? Moreover, if the quantum mind hypothesis holds true, it could fundamentally reshape our understanding of memory, perception, and decision-making. Memories might not just be stored information in our neurons, but quantum information spread throughout our brain. Our perception of reality could be a result of our conscious mind's interaction with the quantum world. And our decisions? They might be the result of complex quantum computations happening within our brain. Reality as we know it could be seen as a dance between our conscious mind and the quantum universe. This implies that our thoughts and feelings as quantum events might have the power to shape our reality. Could our mind really influence matter? This question catapults us into a fascinating realm where the boundaries between the physical and the mental blur. Imagine our thoughts and feelings not as abstract constructs but as quantum events with the potential to shape our reality. It's a theory that opens up a new dimension for the mind's interaction with the world. Consider the placebo effect, where the mere belief in a treatment's effectiveness can trigger real physiological changes. This suggests that our thoughts imbued with intention can indeed have tangible effects, but how does this work? Some research points towards the role of focused intention and mindfulness. When we concentrate our thoughts, we're not just creating a mental image, we're generating a cascade of quantum events that might influence our physical systems. It's like tuning a radio to a specific frequency. Our focused mind could resonate with the universe's energy fields, potentially causing shifts in our reality. And what about collective human consciousness? There are intriguing instances where large groups of people focusing their thoughts have supposedly led to measurable changes in physical or environmental conditions. It's as if our shared mental energy creates ripples in the cosmic pond. So, does this mean that we have a greater responsibility towards our thoughts and actions? If our minds can indeed influence matter, it underscores the power and potential of every thought we generate, every emotion we experience. It's a startling perspective, one that invites us to tread the path of consciousness with greater awareness and intent. A quantum understanding of the mind opens up a whole new perspective on identity, interconnectedness, and personal responsibility. This perspective, like peering through a kaleidoscope, allows us to see ourselves not as isolated beings, but as integral parts of a quantum universe, woven into the very fabric of existence. Our identity is no longer confined to the boundaries of our physical bodies, but rather extends into the quantum realm, where all possibilities exist simultaneously. This interconnectedness with the universe suggests that we are not merely observers, but active participants, influencing and being influenced by the quantum field. And with this realization comes a heightened sense of responsibility. Our thoughts and actions as quantum events have the potential to shape our reality. This is not merely a philosophical musing, but a call to mindfulness, to intentionality, to a more profound engagement with our world. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the quantum mind, remember that your thoughts and actions are more powerful than you think. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.